Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Discord's built-in noise cancellation feature for your voice calls. So, this is a pretty useful feature if you don't have your own noise solution, for example, NVIDIA Broadcast, which does the noise cancellation for you. Programs like those can also be a bit resource intensive because it runs the cancellation processing on your device. So Discord's feature is pretty handy. So first, let's join a voice channel. This is just a generic voice channel. And if we look at the bottom left here, we can see our status box. And then if we go here, we can mouse over it and it says noise suppression powered by Crisp. Let's go ahead and click that and click on the box to turn it on the toggle, I mean, to turn it on. And it should be on. So you can even test it by clicking this test button that pops up. And if you speak into your microphone, you should be able to hear any noise in the background being isolated and removed. I'll turn it off for now since I already have my own solution. And yeah, that was a pretty quick and easy how-to tutorial. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful. And thank you for watching.